Okay guys, what we're doing today is when you're going all this trouble again, I'm going to change all these hoses. All that stuff almost looks like original equipment, and if it's not, it's pretty old. It's very ratty. And I'm also going to check, and what you want to do is make sure you check all these fittings, make sure everything's good, take a little emery paper and get the rust off them. And that one there, I'm also going to change that out. Oh no, maybe not. Yeah, I'll change that one out. And this one down here, going to change that out. And any other hoses I find that are looking kind of crappy. I'm going to do an AC delete, so I'm not going to really touch anything to do with that. I still haven't figured out exactly how I'm going to do that, but I do have the pulley for it, so we'll do the AC delete. So that's what we're up to today. Remember, you're putting all this new stuff in. Make sure you pay attention to these little things. A little piece of hose doesn't seem like much. It can really give you a bad day when things go south. So for all the money it costs and the time it takes, change them out. See you later. Okay, so I haven't got this replaced yet. If you're doing this, this hose and this hose are two different sizes, which I didn't know, so I went and bought the hose that fit the top one, but the bottom one's smaller, and that pipe is in really bad shape. So if this heater core leaks when I'm done, I suspect this was leaking before I was finding some fluid, and if it does, there'll be a UE going on here because I don't need a heater, and one of the worst things I understand to do is to change the heater core in this car. The next thing is I got this hose on, so that's good to go. A little tip for you, maybe you know, maybe you don't, but it's always good to use hot water. Just get a kettle going, and the hose goes on nice and easy, and then it's really nice and pliable when you tighten down the hose clamps.